Hello students, welcome back to the fourth video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 4 from the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 2, which is the May 2024 regional paper. So let's get started with question number 4 of the paper. So here at first 4a, here the question is saying find the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 3 plus twice of x whole to the power 6, giving each coefficient in simplest form. Okay, so basically we have to expand this binomial expression and find its binomial expansion. Okay, find its expansion. Okay, so to expand this binomial expression, we have to use the formula that is given in the formula booklet. Okay, so here you can see the formula for expanding a binomial expression. It is given as 1 plus x whole to the power n. This can be the expansion of this expression would be 1 plus n x plus n times n minus 1 over 1 times 2 x squared plus dot dot dot, and then you can see n times n minus 1 dot 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 n minus r plus 1 over r factorial. Okay, so basically to apply this formula, we should have the binomial expression in the form of 1 plus x, but the given expression here, it's not in the form of 1 plus x, right? So we have to take the first term of the expression common. So if you take it common, you will get 1 plus 2 over 2/3 of x whole to the power 6. Okay, now let's take these 3 outside the bracket. So 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6, it's basically 729. 729 times 1 plus 2/3 of x whole to the power 6. Now we could see that the expression is in the form of 1 plus ax whole to the power n. Okay, so second term is ax here, but in the given formula in the booklet, it is basically just x. Okay, so the expansion is 729 times the expansion is 1 plus nx. So n, the power n is basically 6, and x, in place of x we have 2/3 of x. Okay, and x plus n times n minus 1, which is 6 times 5 over 2 factorial. We have 2 factors in the numerator, so in the denominator it would be 2 factorial. Okay, so 6 times 5 over 2 factorial times 2/3 of x whole squared. We know that the power of the second term, it gradually increases as you progress in the ascending, as you progress the expansion. Okay, so this is the third term. The question has asked to find till the first 4 terms. Okay, so the fourth term, the last one basically. So 3 factors will be in the numerator, 6 times 5 over 4. So 3 factorial in the denominator times 2/3 of x cube. The power will gradually increase dot dot dot. Now close the bracket. That's it. Now 729, it's outside the bracket. Okay, so now simplify the part within the bracket. So 1 plus 6 over 3, this is 2, so 2 times 2, it is 4x plus 6 times 5, it is 30, so 30 over 2, it is 15. Okay, so 15 times 2 over 3 whole squared. 2 over 3 whole squared is basically 4 over 9. Okay, so 4 over 9 times 15, that would give you 20 over 3x squared plus 6 times 5 times 4. So 20 times 6, it is 120. So 120 over 3 factorial, it is basically 6. So 20 times 2 cube over 3 cube. So 20 times 8, 2 cube is 8 over 9 cube is 27. Okay, so that would give you 160 over 27 x cube plus dot dot dot. Okay, now just multiply 729 with the bracket, so you will get 729 plus 4 times 729, it is basically 2916x plus 20 over 3 times 729. So you will get, okay, so 729 times 4x, it is 2916x, and 729 times 20 over 3, that would give you 4860. So 4860 x squared plus 160 over 27 times 729. So it is basically 4320 x cube. This is basically the first 4 terms of the given binomial expression, and that's what part A has asked for. Fine. Okay, next is part B. In part B, the question is asking, hence, find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 2x squared negative 1 over 6x times 3 plus twice of x whole to the power 6. Okay, so it says hence. That means we have to use our answer of part A to approach this answer of part B. Okay, so let's do that. So the two multiple here, 2x squared negative 1 over 6x, 2x squared plus 1 over 6x, okay, times the binomial expression. Okay, it is negative 1 over 6x. Okay, it should be negative 1 over 6x. Okay, so times the binomial expression. So we already know that we already found the expansion of 3 plus 2x whole to the power 6 in the previous part, that is part A. So we will just put the expansion here. So 2916x plus 4860x squared plus 4320x cube plus dot dot dot. Okay, fine. So the question here, it's asking to find the coefficient of x squared. Okay, so now consider in this multiplication, if you consider the product of these two expressions, like which multiplication of which two terms of the expressions will give x squared. Let's consider. You got 2x squared there, so 2x squared times 729, it is basically x squared. So let's write coefficient of x squared. We want to find out the coefficient of x squared. So we got the first one, 2 times 729. Okay, this is the first one. And then which two terms, multiplication of the next, which two terms will give x squared? Negative 1 over 6x times 4320 x cube, because x cube over x, it is basically x squared. So basically we are getting x squared. So this is basically 4320 times negative 1 over 6. So if you do the sum, you will get the coefficient of x squared in this product. 2 times 729 negative of 1 over 6 times 4320. So that would give you 738. So basically the coefficient of x squared, it is basically 738. And that's the answer for part B of question number 4. Fine.